bolt or the nut on the actual steering column itself is a little bit deeper, and I don't have a deep socket, so I think I'm gonna have to get some other tools. So yeah, we're just heading over there. But yeah, look how crappy this steering wheel looks. I mean, that's why we're replacing it. That new one looks so good, and then just having that quick release detachable steering wheel is gonna be like, oh man, I can't wait to put it on. So yeah, but I'll see you guys over there. All right, so I watched a few videos, and first thing they always do is disconnect the battery terminal so the airbag doesn't blow up when I'm trying to remove it. So let's do that. It's basically gonna just untighten that and then take it off, and then we'll probably just use this rag to keep it from hitting the connection at all. It looks like that does the trick. See, our negative battery terminal is off. Hey guys, I have my T30, so apparently that's what I need. And there's just there's these holes right here, and the T30 goes in there. So I'm gonna get and taking that first one out. So I'll show you guys when it's done. All right, guys. So apparently you don't have to get them all the way out, but just get them out to a point where this thing becomes a little loose, and then yeah, just take it off. And so now I just gotta use a flathead right here and take these off. So let's do that. All right, so it's just these two. You just gotta pop them from the right there, and just pop them out with the flathead. So, right, so now you just pull them off, right? Yep, there we go. There we go, and now there's just the ground. All right, so now we got the airbag off. So that was actually really easy. So the ground, it just has this small, little thing that you just press on. I don't know. It's really not that hard. But yeah, we got this out. So the point when I was talking about, there is this nut right here. I think it requires a little bit of a deeper socket. So yeah, I'm gonna go grab that and we'll take it off. So that one nut on there, it is a 17 millimeter, and yeah, we'll see if this works. Don't think it's gonna be that hard, but I don't know, we'll see. Let's try it out. Okay, I might need 2 people for this. But yeah, so now we got this off, and we'll see what's next. So for the next part, apparently you just bump the steering wheel, and then it just comes off. All right, so this is what it looks like now. All right, guys. So the next step, there is this the screw right underneath the column, and then yeah, it's just a small Phillips head. Let me show you guys, just like that. So yeah, just take that out, and I think we'll be able to break this apart. Got this thing off. So there's 4 screws. So I'm gonna remove all of those. All right, now, so we got these screws right here. There's 2 of them. So now we're gonna start working on those. All right, so now there's these ones. These 2 screws are here. There's one on that side, and one on this side as well. And so we're gonna take those off, and then we'll be able to take this top part off. All right, so a little update. I saw this guy, he cut the wires on it. I don't want to cut my wires. I think there's a way around that. But I popped off this under panel, whatever you call it. There's a screw here. There's a screw down in there. There is, and then there's also one down underneath there. Let's see, it's kind of like right there. So yeah, just unscrew those, and then you'll be able to pop that off. Oh wait, that fucking some might to that. So we got that one. Hopefully this one's pretty a bit easier. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Okay. So apparently, there's that little thing you just push down on it. I don't know if I have enough light, but so just right here, push down, it pops off. And then there's another thing on this side, right there. I'm just gonna use a screwdriver to pop that open. So we got this airbag one through. Now I'm just gonna feed this other one. So I like to push this down here and then just kind of work it through. Like this. Boom. Just like that. So we got this thing off without having to cut any wires. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm gonna be installing this hub back onto it. It is getting a little bit dark, but yeah, all I heard is just, you know, keep the logo facing up in the right direction and it should be alright. Alright, so see the NRG logo is facing up. So yeah, we just gotta put the nut back on. I'm gonna tighten down the top part, just those the screws I showed you guys before, and shouldn't be that hard. So let's get it. All right, so just putting that nut back on, and then just gotta attach the quick release part. Oops. Alright, it's pretty secure. My battery's about to die, but I'll definitely make a video on this later. But I'll see if I can still record me getting the adapter on. So, alright guys, since my battery died, I'm recording this on a different day. But basically, all you do is you take these screws and you screw them in. This is the quick release part. This is NRG logo right here. The steering wheel would be upside down right now. But yeah, you screw them in, and then you have this quick release. And when you grab your steering wheel, you're just gonna align it right up, and then you'll spin it. And it'll make that ding, and then you got it in place. So honestly, this is probably the easiest part of the video, but or of the installation. But yeah. Also, it comes with two pairs of bolts, I guess you could call them. So there's the bolts here on this one, and that's the one that attached to the quick release. This is the second part of the quick release, and this part attaches to the steering wheel right here. And your steering wheel should come with extra bolts to do this. So if you're doing this job, make sure you have the hub, the quick release, and obviously the steering wheel itself. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and yeah, enjoy that sound.